In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can set up your own YouTube channel in just 3 minutes. Coming up. Hey there, my name is Nyxson, and on this channel I'm teaching you how you can create your own online business and overall being better person. So if you're new here, just consider subscribing. You're gonna learn a lot of new stuff here. So without further ado, let's start with the topic of this video. In this video, as I told you, I'm gonna teach you how you can set up your own YouTube channel in just 3 minutes. So assuming that you have already have a Gmail account, because I'm not gonna teach you how you can register Gmail account, because it's extremely simple and you should probably have a Gmail account already. If you don't have, well, just drop a comment down below and now I'm gonna make a video on how to make a Gmail account. Are we ready? So let's start, and we are going to time it from right now. So okay, assuming that you have already a Gmail account, you can just log in from here. Bam, you have your own YouTube channel, right? Wrong, that's not all. Now you need to actually set up your YouTube channel. Go to my channel on the left side, and boom, you can start creating your own YouTube channel. Name our channel Pin Heroes YT, because I'm gonna name it from the course name that I have on Pinterest. Create a channel, dude. Create a channel, dude. Okay, done. The channel has been created. Great. Oops, something went wrong. Yes, that things just happened, so don't worry about that. Get back to my channel, and boom, we have already a YouTube channel, right? Wrong. You need a channel art, and of course you need some things to put there. So yeah, let's create some channel art for you. Fortunately, we have a help here, the site named canva.com, that can allow you to create everything basically that you need for your YouTube channel. So what we need here on our YouTube channel, we need a channel art and we need a logo. So let's get here. Let's start with the channel art. Go to social media, and we need a YouTube channel art. YouTube channel art. Yeah, there it is. YouTube channel art. Go there. Quick. We will create the YouTube channel art. Let's assume create something really simple. No, not this one. I don't like this one. Go here. Yeah, let's call this one. I'm gonna call this one Pin Heroes. No, not heroes. Like that. Create something like this, and yeah, it looks actually pretty nice. Press download again here. Prepare my design. We still have time. Let's get here. Go right here. Pin Heroes. Done. Saved. Let's get back. We need a logo now. We need a personal something. No, not here. Marketing. Let's go to the logo. Choose a good logo for ourselves. Let's choose something that's resembling this one. It actually will be not that easy, to be fair. Let's go. Let's see something that is really simple, really nice. You know what? This looks nice. No, this does not look like that. No, don't like this one. Let's go with this one. Let's call this Pin Heroes. Why do I keep pressing W? From 2019. Boom, press download, and you now have YouTube channel art and YouTube logo just like that. So now we need to upload them on our YouTube channel, of course. Add the channel art, select a photo from the computer. I'm just gonna select the Pin Heroes one, upload. Let's hope that it's not too big. Great. Select, and boom, we have channel art. It may look just a bit like that, but yeah, who cares? It's better than nothing. Then we're going to upload the channel icon. That get back to this one. Press upload photo. We don't need this one. We're gonna choose this one, and just like that, we have our logo as well. Boom, got it. It's gonna take time to appear. Let's press F5. Maybe it will show up. Yep, it did show up, and boom, all you need to do is just create YouTube channel just like that. It looks pretty nice. You have a fully set up YouTube channel now. All you need to do is add a description that you want, upload a video, and that's it. This is extremely simple to actually create a YouTube channel in 2019 with the tools like Canva. Like, then you have just no reason to not to do that. That will be it for today's video. There was not a lot to be fair to create in creation of YouTube channel, because it's extremely simple in this day and age. All you need to do is just have a little bit of information and just have a little bit of imagination to do that. Again, this channel, what we created right here, is not, of course, fully representative of what you should have at the end. This is just a simple showing that how simple is to create a YouTube channel, and all you need to do is just do it. So I'm highly encouraging you, if you have any ideas on a YouTube channel, and if you want to create a channel, do not hesitate and create it right now and start giving your awesome content that you have right now, right away. Thank you for your attention. I hope it was helpful. Drop a like if you like this one. Drop a comment if you want more videos like this one, and if you have any suggestions for the comment, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.